Hey guys, Mark here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Today's video I'm going to be working on Angel here. I actually had a person ask the question on how to do the spark plugs. It is kind of tricky because if you got standard spark plug sockets, they don't work. And let me show you how it gets done, okay? The tool we need is actually in our toolkit. So on the left side of your bike, use your key. Open this up, and then this little door down here, there's a little tab here. Just pull on it and pop this door open, and this is your tool set right here. Then inside your tool set is your front axle driver, okay? And this is actually what we need to pull the spark plug. Seriously. So let me show you. So this is the spark plug wire that comes out of the head. We're going to pull that off. And then this is what actually goes down in there and sits on the spark plug. Then you can take a 17 millimeter, get that on there, and just take it out. And spark plugs are not very tight, okay? You get them finger tight, and then you go a little bit farther after that. Should be able to take the rest of it out by hand. All right, just about there. There she goes. All right, so that's the end of my spark plug. It's not wet. Now, I have not changed these spark plugs at all. These are still the original plugs that I've had for years and years. And to me, they still look pretty good. All right, so then, of course, to put them back in, set it in there. Like I said, you just go hand tight with it. Alright, then we'll put the socket on. I didn't quite have it hand tight. Okay, so that's snug right there. And then I'm just going to give it a little, and that's it. Pull that off. Put your plug wire back on. And that's it. Alright, now the Vulcan actually has 4 spark plugs, okay, and they're the same on both sides. So you got one right behind your air filter, you have another one right in front of your air filter, all right, then you have, again, one behind this inlet cover, and another one just in front of it. Okay, let me show you exactly what happens. This is just a standard spark plug socket, and if I pull my wire off, and try to get this down there, it just does not go. It is too big around. So yeah, that's why you can't use a standard socket. You have to use either the tool that's in your toolbox, or you have to get a thin-walled socket. So I'm not going to sit here and pull out all my spark plugs. I've got no reason to, really. My bike's been running really good lately. And yeah. So I showed you how to take out the one. It's the same thing for all of them, and they're really easy to get to because they're right on the side. You don't have to take off the tank. You don't have to reach in behind the radiator or anything stupid like that. Real simple job to do. So yeah, go ahead and check them out and make sure that you're all good to go. So yeah, check your spark plugs. I mean, they can tell a lot about how your motor is running. If you're running hot, if you're running lean, if you're running, maybe you're burning oil. Your spark plugs will tell you everything. And in fact, if you go online, you can find a chart. There's like 20 different scenarios. You got to look at your spark plug and try to figure out where it comes up on the chart, maybe you're good. Who knows? But you won't know until you actually pull the plug. I mean, you might pull it out and the tip of it might be wet. Where's that water coming from? Or that fuel, shouldn't be in there. So yeah, check your spark plugs and check them probably at least every year. My spark plugs are doing good. And they've been in there for, 12 years now. I've never changed out the spark plugs, and so far, I don't have to. I think they're still looking good. All right, this is Mark saying thanks again for watching. I will see you on the road.